Now let's see this question. 7 students appeared for an exam in which the maximum marks were 100. The marks scored by the students in the exam were found to be 7 distinct integer values. The arithmetic mean of their marks was 88, wherein the median of their marks was 92. What could be the maximum difference between the marks of any two students? A very interesting problem, friends. Here, do you know what is median? Say median is what if you have, maybe here we talk about 7 numbers. So if you arrange the numbers in ascending order, that and the number which is there in exact at the middle position, that is their median, right? That means if we have numbers A, B, C, P, Q, R, then number 92, which is median, that is exactly in between, right? So this is the arrangement of the numbers in ascending order, and there are 7 numbers, so the fourth number will be median. Okay, now what we have to do, since we have arranged the number in ascending order, we have to find out the maximum difference between the marks. That means we have to find out the difference between A and R, right? Now we have to maintain the arithmetic mean as 88. Now to maximize the difference, what we have to do, we have to find out the maximum value of R, Q, P, C and B, which is possible while maintaining the arithmetic mean to be 88, right? So what I do is, since the numbers are less than 100 or maximum marks are 100, so what I do is I give 100 to R, 99 and 98, right? Now these three numbers should be less than 92, so maximum it can be 91, it's 90 and it's, now I have to find out the value of A. Now listen to me carefully. Since we have to maintain the average as 88 and simultaneously we have to find out the difference between A and R, and we have to maximize that difference. So first of all, let's find out what how much these numbers are ahead of this mean, right? So this is plus 2, this is plus 3, this is plus 4, this is 88 plus 98 is plus 10, plus 11 and plus 12, right? So 4 and 3, 7 and 2, 9 and 11, 20, 20, 30 and 42, right? So 42 we are moving ahead of the average, right? So if average is 88 and we are moving ahead as 42, so 8 minus 2, 6, 8 minus 4 is 4. So the value of A can be 46, right? Because we have to maintain the average, right? Now if the value of A is 46 and value of R is 100, so what is the difference between these two? It's 54, right? So what could be the maximum difference? That's 54. Okay, I hope you are clear with the procedure, and if you are not clear for the first time, so do watch the explanation once again. Yeah, I would like to tell you one thing over here. I have calculated the deviation from the mean over here, right? This 2, 3, 4, 10, 11 and 12. These are deviations from the mean value, right? You don't have to calculate the entire sum of all these numbers because that will be a time taking process. We just calculate the deviation from mean, and that entire deviation, it should be deducted from the value of A to give the minimum value of A, right?